Ever notice those green utility towers on your property starting to lean? These small eyesores can quickly become major headaches for your board, raising questions about who's responsible, how much repairs will cost, and why no one seems willing to take ownership of the problem. When you're dealing with damaged utility towers, figure out who actually owns them. Most boards assume these structures belong to the association, but that's often not the case. Take a close look at your master deed and bylaws. You'll probably find these towers are covered by easement agreements with utility companies. That means even though they're on your property, the electric or cable company might be responsible for repairs. Don't waste time trying to blame past landscapers. Many boards spend weeks trying to determine which vendor caused damage over time, only to discover their efforts were misdirected. The real solution often comes from contacting utility providers directly to address the issue. When you reach out to utility companies, having documentation ready makes all the difference. Gather some photos showing the damage, any maintenance records for the areas around the towers, and reports from residents or contractors who noticed issues. Remember, these towers contain important infrastructure. Utility companies have a vested interest in keeping them working properly, but they need clear evidence that their equipment needs attention. When approaching utility companies with organized documentation rather than complaints, you're much more likely to get a prompt response. Most utility providers will prioritize repairs when presented with clear evidence that their equipment requires attention. Before pointing fingers, ask the tough questions. Why are these towers leaning? Were they installed that way? Is it from landscaping equipment, ground settling, weather events, or something else? You need to be objective about the causes. If your investigation shows that the association is responsible, whether directly or through services you've contracted, be prepared to step up and address it. Being straightforward builds trust with both your residents and service providers. For ongoing issues, prevention is key. Consider creating simple protective barriers around tower bases. This could be a small rock garden to establish clear perimeter, some low-growing plants that don't need trimming, or even just decorative borders that signal maintenance crews to keep away. These solutions don't have to be fancy or expensive. They just need to keep lawn mowers and weed trimmers at a safe distance. Taking ownership of utility tower issues, even when the towers themselves aren't technically your responsibility, shows leadership that benefits everyone in your community. Start by documenting the current condition of all utility structures on your property this week. If you found this perspective valuable, we invite you to connect with us. Facebook viewers, like our page and follow us for regular updates. Feel free to message us directly with your questions or community challenges. Instagram viewers, hit follow and feel free to DM us with your questions or community challenges. YouTube viewers, subscribe to our channel and check out the video description for helpful links. Visit our website to discover our thought leadership content, books, and resources that can transform your community management approach. Whether you're dealing with the challenges we discussed today or other community issues, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.